Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let's begin. Hello everyone, good morning. Thank you for coming to my presentation in today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dewi Ramawati. You can call me Dewi. I'm from class 2G in the elementary school teacher education study program. I'm going to talk about COVID-19 pandemic and the impact of quarantine on mental health of adult population. The main goal of my presentation into the impact of COVID-19 quarantine on adult mental health. My presentation is divided into three parts. In the first part, I'm going to talk about the description of COVID-19 and quarantine. Then I will continue to the second, negative impact of quarantine, and finally I will explain the solution of the negative impact of quarantine during COVID-19. Okay, let me now go to my first point, which is description COVID-19 and quarantine. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is new disease that can cause respiratory disease and pneumonia. It is caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2 infection. And what is quarantine? Quarantine refers to the separation and restoration of movement of people who are not acquainted by an infection disease to determine if they become there be recording their risk of interaction and others. Then, in the second part, we'll discuss negative impact of quarantine. Some research have called it that the negative impact on the mental health of quarantine responder is higher than the of non-quarantine respondent. Therefore, psychology counseling using virtual techniques should be overhead expensive for days in quarantine, which will provide comfort and follow-up care and mental health service that can be provided as needed. COVID-19 in Nepal. On the 13th of January 2020, the Nepal's government imposed a full lockdown in the country, including a travel ban, restricting movement within the country and focusing on quarantine measures to prevent COVID-19 transmission. The local government has also set up quarantine centers. However, the variability in implicit infection in Nepal has increased due to the open borders with India and China. Many migrant workers and others returning to Nepal from another regions are asked to stay in special quarantine camps until their 14 days quarantine period is over. Will the measures taken by the local government have been quite successful? It turned out the quarantine also has a negative impact on people's physical health. A review study responded harmful mental impacts of quarantine such as post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD, anger, and uncertainty are interesting and sustained. Next, finally, we will discuss solution. The COVID-19 pandemic and the quarantine caused adverse impact on mental health. Results from this study showed higher level of physiology impact, depression and anxiety among quarantine respondents compared to non-quarantine respondents. The female gender was less likely to experience anxiety compared to the male gender in the quarantine group. Therefore, it can be called the second number of the quarantine population is a higher risk of experiencing quarantine, including mental health problems during the pandemic. Thank you for your attention to my presentation in today. Hopeful it can provide new knowledge for all of us. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.